Over the last few days, you've probably heard a lot about a nasty new malware called WannaCry, and you may be wondering if your company is at risk. WannaCry is the latest ransomware to attack computer networks. On May 12th, it infected hundreds of thousands of PCs across 150 countries. Ransomware is malware that once it infects a PC, it holds your files hostage unless you pay a ransom to the hacker's anonymous account, hence the name. Here's what the WannaCry ransomware looks like. If the timer runs out, your files are permanently destroyed. How does a PC get infected? A single vulnerable PC in a company opens an infected email attachment or goes to an infected website. Once inside the company, the malware spreads through the default Windows networking ports, and the infected PC can spread to all connected systems. Right now, WannaCry targets Windows operating systems, but ransomware can affect all systems. Microsoft had issued patches for this, but many companies didn't install them until it was too late. In addition, Microsoft had already stopped supporting its older versions of Windows like Windows XP. This means those systems didn't even have a patch and left them completely exposed and unprotected from WannaCry or any other attack. There are about 2 billion PCs with Windows XP still out there for one reason or another. This means there are still 2 billion risks, some of them in pretty important places. Power grids, water treatment plants, factories, and hospitals that all still have XP installed. How do you protect yourself from malware? The first step would be to stay up to date on patches, but sometimes even if you've installed all available patches, it still isn't enough. To defend against attacks like WannaCry, hospitals and other facilities with older systems should use ImGuard Smart or PCI variants to protect critical network equipment. The ImGuard is a plug-in hardware firewall that won't require you to make any OS changes or install any new software. Being an implicit deny firewall, it provides immediate defense, blocking unknown traffic from getting into your critical PCs or systems. Against attacks like WannaCry, an ImGuard Smart would block the TCP and UDP ports used by Windows networking that the malware spreads upon, thereby providing immediate protection. To keep your network safe, visit phoenixcontact.com/ransomware.